Kumno bangin Kren Phareng man la Sngi dak bangi pendon kam yakini ki kenten ti paralok ngalapen mi shibun teli ki jinghikai kum kini bat palat spa tadi ki don hagani ke channel te la da pikua ban page yakita ki jinghikai ngalabo ya ka link ha ke description bala da pisngu yo jumento ina kini ki jinghikai share lem cheki paralok jongpi. What do you want to be when you are growing up? What do you want to be when you are growing up? Khasi ka ai pikwa banlong nda pilhe lasan. I want to become an officer. I want to become an officer. Ngakwa banlong u officer. Why do you want to become an officer? Why do you want to become an officer? Balay pikwa banlong u officer. Because I want to give the best service to the people. Because I want to give the best service to the people. Namar ngakwa ban ai ke jing syakri ke babhatam yaki paitbah. How to become an officer. How to become an officer. Kumno banlong u officer. Work hard is the key to success. Work hard is the key to success. Kajingtra shitom kalong ushabi sha kajingjab. Hope you will become one day. Hope you will become one day. Kermen phin salong hakaway kasngi. Thank you for your inspiration. Thank you for your inspiration. Kublai shibon yakajing ai mensem jongpi. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? Ka ai pinle menta kasngi. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Ngam tip ka ai ngan le. I'm feeling tired today. I'm feeling tired today. Ngasngu paitbah menta kasngi. I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. Ngakwa ban ong ay yapi. You have to promise not to tell anybody. You have to promise not to tell anybody. Pihap ban kular ban omyetho yano. Okay, I promise. Okay, I promise. To ngakular. I need your help. I need your help. Ngadon kam ke jingerap jongpi. Why don't you do it by yourself? Why don't you do it by yourself? Balay pimlehi dalade. Don't expect people will help you. Don't expect people will help you. Wat kemilanti bakibriu kinyarap yapi. Thank you for your advice. Thank you for your advice. Kublai shibon yaka jing'ai jingmut jongpi. Problems are not the reason to give up. Problems are not the reason to give up. Ka jing'e kamday banlong kadaw bangin kanranden. But a challenge to improve ourselves. But a challenge to improve ourselves. Henry kijingale ban penbha ialade. Not an excuse to back out. Not an excuse to back out. Day banlong kadaw bangin paidin. But an inspiration to move forward. But an inspiration to move forward. Henry kejing ai mensim bangin yad shakmat. He is a very humble man. He is a very humble man. Ulong ubriu basngorit bha.